Here is a step-by-step guide to formatting a Windows PC with Windows 11. Before you begin, it's essential to note that formatting your PC will erase all data and reinstall Windows 11. Make sure to back up any important files or data before proceeding. Step 1. Reset Windows 11 to factory settings. Open the Settings app by pressing the Windows key +I. Click on System in the left sidebar. Select Recovery from the System page. Next, to reset this PC, click on Reset PC. In the Reset This PC window, choose one of the following options. Keep My Files. Select this option to delete apps and settings but keep your personal files. Remove Everything. Choose this option to remove apps, settings, and personal files. Choose the option that suits your needs. How would you like to reinstall Windows screen will appear. Select either the Cloud Download option to reinstall Windows 11 from the cloud or the Local Reinstall option to use the files already available on your PC. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset process. Step 2. Check for updates. After the reset is complete, open the Settings app again. Click on Windows Update. Click the Check for Updates button. Windows Update will download and install the latest patches and driver updates if available. Step 3. Check for missing drivers. Open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Click on the top result to open the app. Confirm that there's no branch called Other Devices listed, which usually indicates devices without drivers. If you have one or more devices with missing drivers, visit the support website of your computer manufacturer to download and install the latest drivers. Step 4. Reinstall previously installed apps. After completing the reset, you may need to reinstall any previously installed applications as necessary. Use the installation files or download them from the respective sources. That's it. You have successfully formatted your Windows PC with Windows 11. Remember to reinstall your applications and restore any backed up files. Please note that formatting your PC should be done with caution, as it erases all data. Make sure you have backups and are aware of the consequences before proceeding.